What happened? Did you wake up late today?
No, sir.
No, you joined late. That's the reason I ask. Or you forget
Yeah,
about the class.
I was gossiping, so that's why I'm late.
Oh, okay. It's fine. That's amazing. I believe this is your first class with me, no? Second class?
Yes, first.
First class. Amazing. So, Kalpana, let me give you a quick introduction about me. After that, I would take your introduction, then we can proceed with the class.
Okay.
So, Kalpana, my name's Harshdeep Singh, and I am from Jharkhand, Jamshedpur, the Shell City of India. I'm an IDP certified IELTS speaking evaluator, having 3+ years of teaching experience. In this journey, I aid around 1,000 plus candidates to prepare for the IELTS examination and around 800 to 700 students for their communication English, business English, and workplace English. I do guide students improvising their vocabulary, sentence formation, grammar, and removing their public speaking fear. May I know a brief intro about you?
Yeah, so I am Kalpana. I am from Noida Extension. If I talk about my educational qualification, I have done MA, BA, qualified CTET, UPTET. Along with that, I am a tutor as well as I run on YouTube channel and
Okay,
I'm a mother of two children. That's what about me.
that is really great. So, how do you manage everything? Like your YouTube journey, your workplace journey, your family? How do you manage everything?
I try to manage. Sometimes I feel difficulty to do everything, but I try to manage.
What's your morning routine? What is your morning routine?
My morning routine is as usual. Like I wake up at 6 o'clock. Then
Hmm.
I get to ready to prepare the breakfast and lunch, and then my husband and my children left leave for school and office. Then I do my complete daily work like household chores. Then I practice on my English conversation on my English language.
So, Kalpana, let's do one round over here. Let's do one activity. I would give you two options, and
Yes,
you have to select particular one option. Why you're selecting this? You have to give the reasons on it. Would you to play this activity? Great. Option A, 5 CR, 5 crore rupees. 5 crore rupees. Option B, you can go back to the past, but there is a one twist. You can go only to one timeline. You can't travel multiple timeline. For example, 2008, 7, 6. You can't travel all the time. One particular one you can go. It could be 1988, 1999, 2001, 2, 3. Any time frame you can go. And particular one timeline you can rectify one thing over there, which would change your present. So you want to select option B or option A, 5 crore rupees right now.
I will select option B. If I will get the chance
Hmm.
to go back in my past day, so I will choose the second option. And yeah, I have lost my father, so I would meet my father and spend some time with him.
And when we're talking about some time, quality time,
Yeah,
I would cherish some moments with him, cherish lovely
like
moments with him,
Chinese.
some lovely moments with him,
Some lovely music. Yes,
because that would be the few better words which you can use over here, as per the
yes,
scenario.
yes,
So you would just spend few hours, but it won't change anything in your present
yes,
because you can't spend the time over there because your older version will also be there. Your older version of that timeline, that person will also be there. So how you could replace them? You could tell that person to change something that would change your future. So what the thing you want to change? Because currently the face you are looking, so you go in that same face. So will your father would be able to recognize you?
yes. Um, if I will get the chance to go back, and uh, I I I will rectify my mistake which I did in my past time. Like I didn't clear the CPMT exam in my after my 12th class.
Mhm.
Uh, So I uh, I will study well and pass the CPMT exam and would be a doctor. it
Okay,
was the
so,
it was the it was my first dream to be a doctor.
okay. It was your dream to be a doctor. So now, who would fulfill your dream? Your daughter or your son?
My expectation with my both children, but I I strongly feeling I have strongly feeling with my daughter.
Okay, that your daughter would fulfill your dream. Okay, that's amazing. So you want your doctor, you want your daughter to be which type of doctor? Different
Uh,
categories are there.
yes, yes, yeah. I wanted to be a surgeon of a cardiac surgeon.
Mhm.
So and she was not interested to be surgeon, but she interested only
She
physician or
was she
specialist.
she was
She
not
want.
interested. She is not. She is not interested because in the present moment you're talking about simple present tense. She's not interested being a surgeon. She wanted to be a this person, that physician.
Yes,
Hmm. So she want to be a physician, and you wanted her to become a surgeon. Hmm.
surgeon. Yeah,
So the debate.
reason was that actually my father was a heart patient. That's why I wanted to be a cardiac surgeon.
Hmm.
And my daughter is not interested to be a surgeon.
Hmm. She's more interested to be a physician.
Yes,
That's a great. Okay, so now it would be a debate with you and with the daughter, which will continue for next 2 or 3 or 5 years. After that, she would join one program.
yes.
Hmm, that's a great idea. Okay, so Kalpana, over here, why you haven't selected the 5 CR rupees?
Everyone wants to get money and they can buy anything, they can get anything from the money, but I think money is not everything. And feelings and quality time with family, and these are the uh,
Most valuable thing.
precious, these are the precious thing for me. My family is my life. So I have lost my father, so miss I miss him a lot. So that's why I want to get the chance to meet him again.
Okay, you would like to have the chance to meet him again over the model.
Yes,
So we would work slightly on the model, would and could, of that of yours. Okay, that's really great. So you like to meet with your father. Now, Kalpana, let me give you one homework for the upcoming session. Give me a moment. Let me write down that homework in the chat box for you. So see the chat box. I sent you one message over there.
that was. Describe a time when you decorated something with your parents. You should say when has it happened, what have you decorated, why you wanted your parents' help, how you felt after decorating.
One short story you have to create on this for about 2 minutes. In the next
Okay.
session, you would narrate a short story. I would like to see how your imagination work. How do you create the story? Where you're going to lack and what kind of words you're going to add on. I'll see that because in the upcoming session, I would give you a few of the idea how to create the short stories. We would have a discussion on the short storytelling round. Plus, I am planning one more thing on this note. We would have first, I would listen to the story from you. Second, we would do the session note. If the time permits, we'll do the session note. With the session, if more time permits, then we'll have a short role play. Role play would be a surprise, but two topics already will be there with you. But role play is going to be a surprise for you, which we're going to have in the class itself. One topic, you have to prepare a short story on this. What you can do as a homework, turn on your camera of your mobile phone, have the topic in front of you, and record yourself on that. On a particular topic for about 2 to 3 minutes. Initially intro, then body paragraph, at the end a conclusion for this topic. In the upcoming session, let's narrate this thing. Let me hear how you give the answer. You can do one more thing. Try to slightly focus on the models. Models, please go through the model once. Also to focus light on the simple present tense, present perfect tense, simple past tense, simple future tense. There's a few areas which we have to focus on yours because slightly errors are coming on this and past continuous as well.
Okay.
These are the few grammar portion in the tensor which you have to focus because while we are speaking, I'm noticing that this kind of errors are slightly coming in your pitch. So this is a grammar errors which we have to reduce. Although with this, in the upcoming session, we would start focusing more on the discuss marker. However, therefore, perhaps, moreover, likewise, to illustrate, to give an example, since this kind of subordinating conjunction and discuss markers, we would work on that so that you can easily get more better approach of answers. Because while you're writing anything or while you're speaking anything, this plays a imperative role.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and next time I hope you would be on time so that we
Yes,
can
sir.
have longer discussion. Not
Yes,
like
sir. Okay.
that. Okay, any doubt, any concerns you have?
No, sir.
Okay, then thank you for joining, Kalpana. I'll meet you in the upcoming session.